Happy day, children. In this video, we are going to learn about a very interesting topic in your value education, that is self-respect. What is self-respect? Self-respect is believing oneself. Trust yourself that you can achieve. You have to first believe in yourself to achieve. Now let's see some more explanation about self-respect. Self-respect means you care enough to think about others' feelings before you act. Respect is treating others the way you want to be treated. Showing kindness and consideration, liking yourself enough to be yourself, accepting others for who they are. The full abbreviation for respect is R for respond in an appropriate manner to everyone. E for excellence only, no sloppy work or excuses. Stay in your own personal space. P, pay attention and participate. E, encourage, not discourage others. C, come prepared to learn. T, take responsibility for your action. So the golden rules for self-respect is treat others the way you wanted to be treated. Now come, let's see a small boy's story. What is happening to him after his grandma explains him about self-respect. So this small boy, he was so hesitating and he was not believing himself, so he was not willing to participate in a guitar competition. But grandma is saying that he can do it because she have never heard anyone playing guitar as good as he can. So she is explaining him with a short story. Come, let's also listen the same story. One day, there was two boys, Jack and Louis, who lived in a village near Oldenburg. Jack was 6 years old, while Louis was 10. They were very close friends and spent most of their time together. One day, as an adventure, they went a little too far away from the village, and while they were running around and exploring, Louis fell into a well. He started screaming because he didn't know how to swim and thought he could drown and die. Jack panicked and looked around for help, but there was no one to help them. Then suddenly, he saw a bucket tied to a rope lying nearby. Without wasting time, Jack threw the bucket into the well and asked Louis to hold it. The moment Louis held the bucket, Jack started pulling up the rope. He kept pulling and pulling till Louis was knocked off the well. They were happy and cheering each other and ran quickly towards their home. When they told their families and villagers about the event, nobody believed them because Jack was too young and weak to even lift a bucket full of water. Hence, nobody believed that he could have pulled out Louis from the well. But only Uncle Peter believed them. Uncle Peter was an old and experienced man whom the villagers took seriously. So they asked him, how could this be possible? Uncle Peter laughed and said, what is there to explain? The boy is already telling you how he did it. He threw the bucket inside and pulled the rope to save his friend. What is strange here is, how did he manage to gather so much strength? This was because at that time there was nobody to tell him that he couldn't do it. Even he himself was not in a position to think so. He added, the only one who can empower you is yourself. In fact, you can do it. The villagers realized that how important it is to believe in yourself. Respect yourself first, and you can achieve anything in this world. Now, Grandma is asking, do you now believe you can? The boy is cheerfully saying, yes, I can, Grandma. I will respect myself first. I can do it. I will do it. I believe in myself. I will do it, Grandma. So the boy is convinced and he is ready to participate in the competition. So first thing is that we should believe in ourselves. We have to respect ourselves. Then only we can respect others and we can achieve everything in this world. Everything is possible if you believe in yourself. Thank you, children. I will see you in next video with another interesting topic. Thank you, children. Respect yourself.